Most business owners don't realize there's an easy way to get a whole bunch of keyword ideas for your local business just using your business website in Google Keyword Planner. So all you have to do is log into Google Keyword Planner. Again, it's free. Set it up. You don't have to be running ads. You just need a Google Ads account. And then go over here to Keyword Planner. You can find it by just searching in the top here, right? Then you go to Keyword Planner and then you take your Discover New Keywords, click on that, and then click on, instead of Start with Keywords, start with a website. And then you just take your small business website. So I'm just going to take this one here, which is a great small business website. Click copy and paste. Now you can do the entire site, or if you just want keywords based on a landing page that you have, you can do that too. And then you click on get results. And then the really cool thing here is Google is going to look at your website for context and understand what it is you offer, and then give you keyword ideas, grass cutting services near me, grass cutting, weed control. And now these can help you build blogs or just build more content into your pages and write more things that are relevant to what it is you already do, to building keywords that you know have good volume for your business. So that's how you use your website to actually generate more keyword ideas that are going to be relevant for you to help build up your SEO for your local business. That's it. Quick tip. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like for more great tips to increase visibility, and stay tuned because we're teaching you how to do this not just on your website, but on Google Business Profile too.